Hey pretties, I'm finally back for another video, and today, come with me to the Sunny's Picnic and I'll be going to Makati sa Triangle. Dun siya gaganapin today, and yon, today is Sunday, and after 1 week akong nagpahinga kasi nag-midterms exams ako. So, yon, samahan niyo ulit ako sa panibagong video, and syempre sa Makati yon, and possible baka ano ko, coffee and depende. But yon, pupunta ako ngayon sa Sunny's Picnic and yun yung pinaka main event nitong vlog na to, and I'm so excited, and I know marami talagang content creator na pupunta doon, and also you guys, yung mga viewers ko, and also yung mga tao kasi open siya for public, and I can't wait to meet you guys, and I'm almost run out of time. Nag-intro lang ako for this one. So, yan, I'll see you there, guys. So, I'm currently here sa 7-Eleven in front of the event place, and nagko-cool down lang ako, and it's currently 12-ish, and yon, papasok ako later, and basta I'll be going there once na na-cool down na ako, and yon, medyo hinihingal pa ako kasi medyo nagmadali ako kasi I want to exactly arrive at the event, and yon. I'm finally here at the event, and this is my whole fit. Hindi pala kita. And yon, basta. And then I'm wearing the Sunny's summer collection, and I got it earlier, and medyo ikot-ikot na ako with Stace, and nag-catch up lang kami kanina, and also nagbili ako nung bago nilang release. This Sunny's X Islander, and kailangan kong may ROI siya, talagang isushoot ko siya next time. And also they gave me a free fan, another one from the brand, and also coffee, and what do you call that one, ice cream. And yun, medyo kinakabahan ako, sobrang hangin ngayon, and look at that. Can you guys appreciate my sun specs? I super duper love it, and I met a lot of influencers na kanina pa here, like sila Jose, sila Rafi, so Mama Gerald. I'm also looking for her early kanina pa, and yon, sana makita ko pa siya. And this is my first pills, and sorry kung hinahawakan ko kasi talagang humahangin, bangin na yung babagsakan ng phone ko kasi doon wala akong mapagpatungan, wala yung mga usual na bench na nakalagay there. I mean, no, yung mga chairs and tables na nakalagay here, pero paklagan agad ako sa sarili ko, 'di ba? And also yon, I'm so happy. Ang ganda ng event, and iikot-ikot lang ako dito later. I-charge ko muna yung phone ko kasi alam nyo naman. Pero ang daming may gusto ng outfit ko today. Thank you so much, guys. And I also met Justin and Jessie again. Si Jessie, first time, and she complimented my outfit. And oh my God. So yan, I'll come back later and yeah. I'm currently sitting at the table and the bench today and medyo late na. It's currently 4-ish and almost 5 and I actually don't have pictures pa and I'm planning to shoot a content dun sana sa may baba, sa may Starbucks. But I don't have kasama and I can find my friend na nakita ko kanina and hindi siya nagre-reply. But it's okay. I can shoot this naman the other day. And yon. And ang dami kong nakuhang compliments from different creators like Luyanong. Also, she's a model and she said, your outfit. Tapos gumanon siya. And I was like, nakakakilig and also random people. Basta, ang dami kong compliments na nakuha today and I'm so happy. And alam mo, yung vlog na to, hindi man siya maraming spills, but I super duper love this vlog kasi wala, it's kind of made me chill and also yon ang saya. Kahit mag-isa lang ako, buti na lang talaga marunong akong mag-isa and hindi talaga buti, marunong talaga akong mag-isa and yeah, solo date every day for life. For life, ayaw na talaga magjowa pero pero ang dami ko, ito yung mahirap, yung maraming bising tao tapos hindi ka mapipicturean, hindi ka makapag-as na kung pwede kang picturean din sa that part kasi syempre nakakahiya silang abalahin but yun. Sayang, gusto ko sana kasi itong yung design is parang today lang siya and gusto kong maraming pictures, ganun, yun. So, I'm planning to eat the dinner sa isang restaurant but I'm still thinking kung saan. Pero, yun, I'll update you guys pag magde-dinner na ako.
What's your name? Ashley. Ashley. So Ashley's vlog. Hey Ashley's vlog.
So guys, I saw my friend na na-meet ko sa GoSee ng Colorette last February, si Bianca. Hey Bianca, hey.
Hi vloggy vlog.
And also yung friend ni Bianca, si Rain. Say hi.
Hello.
From the sky.
Yeah, nakiupo na ako sa kanila and also it's currently what time? 6-ish and yon, the picnic is until 9 and ang ganda, buti na lang nag-provide si Sanis ng lighting here. It's for the vloggers. And yon, ang dami pa ring tao even anong oras na and also baka hindi na ako mag-dinner. And hindi na makapag-video kasi nalaglag pa talaga. Kasi anong tawag dito? Malilowbat na yung phone ko and yung power bank ko is nalowbat na rin. So, hindi ko alam kung makakapag-outro pa ako.
Kasi nalaglag.
Oo. Nalaglag kasi siya, ganun kasing power bank ko. Pero at least nag-work siya. Kailangan na nating i-replace, kaya yon. Bango, may
Kaya
Margella.
panoorin nyo na siya para mapalitan na.
Yeah, oo. Ang bango kanina.
subscribe.
Also, nakita ko si Rai. Makikita niyo yung clip ni Rai there. Oo. Hey, vlog daw. Hey, Ashley's vlog. So, guys, ang dami pang tao. And yun, buti na lang hindi umulan. And I super duper love the lighting here. It's so perfect.
Meron tayo sa spotlight.
Yeah. So, yun, I'll be back. So, that's it, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here. And I hope na enjoy nyo yung sanis ko even na hindi ako maraming daldal dito. Pero bakla, puro clips. And alam nyo naman kung anong mangyayari. And yon, parang feeling ko nadala ko na rin kayo dito sa sanis na to. And yon, sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. And I also super, one of my fave video, talaga pag sa Makating vlog, one of my fave, kasi ang daming mga happenings na hindi mo ina-expect, like, Rai. Basta nasa vlog ko na siya, and guys, sino ba mag-aakala na isang bakla na kung sino-sino lang dyan, magiging makakasama si Rai sa vlog, and I'm so excited na i-share siya sa inyo, guys. And actually, I'm planning to secret it muna sa mga friends ko na kilala si Rai, because hintayin nyo lang yung story ko, but tomorrow feeling ko mapopost ko na yung mga pictures ko on IG. So check nyo na lang, here's my photos, and si Bianca yung nag-picture in other people na mga nakikita ko dyan, random persons. And thank you sa inyo, guys, sa pag-picture sa akin. And alam ko na minsan nakakagitla na magpapapicture ako sa inyo. Sorry guys, pero wala kasi yung kasama and I'm solo lang. But ganun talaga, sana ma-inspire kayo na mag-solo dates din. And marami namang tao talagang mababait na magpipicture sa inyo. So ang dami ko nang nasabi, mag-outro lang ako. And yun guys, that's it for today's, and I'll see you on my next vlog.